To find best Coursera coupon code, you have to search the same on your browser and then click on this website called grab.in. In this website, you will see Coursera coupons available. There are total 36 coupons here in this website. You can just visit all the type of variant in this and copy the code. Now, this is the second website we are going to talk about, Coursera coupon codes. And in this also you can see only $1 a month for Coursera Plus and unlimited access to 7,000 plus courses, Google Professional Certificate on Coursera free with trial. So you can simply get the benefits after copying the promo code from this menu. Now we will show you the third and the last website that is called Business Insider. In this website, you will see there is a lot of coupon mentioned. It's like all the website. Click on any of the one to get a promo code. Copy this and simply go to the store to do it. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching.